So what's up YouTube, welcome to my channel Complete Tech Review and welcome to another walk around of the Platina 110 H gear versus the Platina 100cc ES. So on the face of it both looks familiar, but there are some important changes. What are the changes? That is what we will be talking on this video, and the changes are very significant, so let's check that. So visually, if you see, for 2020 there is some changes. The front hand or knuckle protectors which is added for the 2020 variant, it is present for both the H gear as well as for the ES. It also comes with the disc brake. I believe this is around 240 mm disc, and for the disc you also have a small cover just to protect it from dust or slush, so that is also there. The turn indicators are slightly new design, and they are the flex type ones and comes with a really nice design, but these are the bulb ones, halogen ones. The same goes with the H gear. The front gets a LED DRL in the front, and also there's a DRL for the ES Platina. So from a look point of view, from this side the bike looks the same, but let's dive into what is the internals. So this one is 110cc and this one comes with 5-speed gearbox. The engine is a DTSI engine, whereas this one is a 100cc engine, comes with 4-speed gearbox, and this also has a DTSI engine, which means that both have twin spark plug. Coming back to the vehicle, the seat is more or less the same. The suspension also, the rear is an adjustable mono suspension which is spring loaded, and for the H gear also it is the same. Also for 2020, on the tank part we have a tank grip for both the vehicles. So as you can see, there's a small tank grip, and the rear for both the vehicles is like this. For the H gear you also have the internal mudguard which is placed over here, as well as for the ES you also have the internal mudguard. So this is the aesthetically, if you look at it from an external point of view, this is the visual difference that you can see, and from an engine point of view, what you have seen is what it is. The instrumentation console for the Platina is the analog unit, where you get the analog fuel indicator, the analog speedometer, and all the telltale signs. The switchgear quality is also pretty good, and it has a pass switch, the turn indicator, and the cancellation switch, and it also has the LED DRL on off switch with the electric start button. Whereas the H gear comes with a part analog and a digital instrumentation console, and the switchgear quality even over here is the same as the Platina ES. When you look at more differences on the screen which is appearing right now, so the placement of the hand or the knuckle protector is like this. Basically it is screwed to the hand brake, and if you see, this is not bolted to the handle, but basically it is screwed to the screws of the hand gear. The mirrors look to be the same, and it is of good quality, and also they are pretty bit wide, so it is also has a small shape to it, so it is also pretty good. Other interesting addition is that it has a smaller and a sleeker thrash guard, and again the look also is really good. So I hope you enjoy the walk around shoot of both the Platina ES 100 and also the Platina H gear. I hope you found this video informative, and also you found the differences between both the vehicles. And if you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This will help, and also a like and a comment also would make a difference if you own these vehicles, and what are the pluses and minuses that you factor for. If you can also list out that also will be good. Before I close the video, I just want to point out one more thing, is that the Platina, especially on the front headlight, the ES comes with a black type the light cover and on the edges, whereas the H gear comes with the chrome plated one. So that also is a minor difference that you can spot out. And with this, I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.